Hey guys, PhoneArena here, and this is a video out of the Sony Xperia 1, shooting at 4K resolution, 30 frames per second, the maximum quality setting that the camera allows. Unfortunately, there is no 60 frames per second video recording at 4K resolution. I've just switched to the telephoto camera, providing 2x zoom. I can add digital zoom on top of that for even more zoom. This is 10x zoom combined, the maximum setting. And back to normal. Now let's see what happens if I introduce an object in the frame. Let's see how well the continuous autofocus works. And that was a 4K video sample out of the Xperia 1.